Nobody likes being left in the dark, especially when it's unexpected. It's important to remember fire conditions increase when warm temperatures, low humidity, and strong winds are expected to combine. Vehicle accidents, storm events, and fire weather conditions all have the potential to impact our electric system. To help prevent this, EWEB is committed to taking action to help protect you, your family, and our community. Sometimes, as a last resort, this may mean turning off power in one or more areas of EWEB's high fire risk territory to keep those communities safe from a wildfire. We call this a Public Safety Power Shutoff, or PSPS. When a PSPS occurs, our goal is to return your power as safely and quickly as possible during daylight hours, making sure both you and our crews stay safe. Prepare your home and family for a PSPS with an emergency supply kit with items such as a battery-operated radio, flashlight, non-perishable food, an ice chest, and a backup supply of fuel for your vehicle or generator. Before we can restore your power, we have to monitor the weather to see if winds and wildfire conditions have subsided. Then we check for any damage to our equipment and make necessary repairs so that we can operate them safely. We do this by having our qualified crews inspect the power lines on foot, by vehicle, and sometimes by helicopter. A PSPS will occur in EWEB's high fire risk zones. The terrain in these areas is often harder to reach, making it even more difficult for us to conduct our inspections. Even if winds at ground level aren't bad, they can still be very strong at higher elevations. This is why it can take longer than typical to inspect and clear equipment for any damage. After the damage has been assessed, our crews can get your power back on, right? Not just yet. Before any repairs begin, as one last safety check, our crews will wait for an all clear from the control center, confirming there are no other system concerns and our equipment is safe to work on. Remember, our promise is to restore your power as safely and quickly as possible, but it's not as easy as flipping a switch. We do this in phases, specific steps that help protect our employees, our communities, and our equipment. Our top priority is to make safe by inspecting and addressing safety concerns and ensuring critical care facilities such as hospitals, police and fire stations, and water treatment facilities have power. After that, our crews follow a hierarchy of repair to restore power to the most number of people in the shortest amount of time, beginning with transmission lines, then substations, distribution lines, tap lines, and then with individual connections. Still don't see our crews on your street? Often problems on one street are part of an even bigger problem blocks or miles away. So just because you don't see our crews doesn't mean they aren't working on restoring your power. Once the lines and other equipment have been inspected and repaired and conditions are safe, power is restored. Even when you don't see us, we are working to get your power back on as safely and quickly as we can. You can rely on us to expect the unexpected and be prepared to help keep you safe. Visit eweb.org/PSPS for more information.